Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you two quick and easy way how to delete your Google Docs document. So once you're inside Google Docs, the first way you can find that document, whether on your recent or if you have the document stored elsewhere, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots and you have remove. That's going to put it in trash. Another way is that if you open up the Google Docs document and you're inside this document, you can go to file from the menu option and here you have moved to trash, right? And you can simply do that. And I'm going to show you another way. I said two ways, but I'm going to show you another way. So if you're inside your Google Drive, guys, and you have that Google document, here's one of them. You can easily delete this as well. So simple right click on the document, and here you have the option as well to move to trash. Once you go ahead and move that to trash, it will be deleted and you can find it under your trash. You can always go ahead and further go ahead and delete it forever, or you can simply restore it. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to delete a Google Docs document.